All right. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Yes, I'm outside of the studio, so if we have any technical issues today, sorry for that before it happens. Okay. What we're looking at. So I'm laser focused on the Asia high, and I am also following up with the yes, as always. So, I'm lack of monitor sizes here. Good morning, beautiful people. Onaga, Adrian, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, market will open in 3 minutes, and if we can go up to the midnight opening price, we'll be looking for longs to the Asia high. If that is not the case, we will think about something else. Okay, this keep unlogging me as always. Okay, so yeah, last it's 28, 2 minutes left. The shorts are looking good from here, man. Let me just tell you that. How are you guys doing? Did you guys took any trades before the market open? uh Let me see if we can get my friend Pharaoh. Good morning. Man, man, the price action looking good, huh? Okay. So what do we have on the chart? The London low, the Asia high, right? And we have an hourly wick over here, which is 800 again, as you guys remember from yesterday. Also, we have a 4-hour candle high here, which is 843. We are 3.5% away from the all-time highs. We have news at 10 a.m., so we must be very careful. So, taking it easy. If you're enjoying the live, you just need to smash the like button. Why? Because it is free to watch. I will open a zero lag live session also. Okay, perfect. Okay. Ready to rock. We have 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see the first candle of the day. Come on, NQ. Do your thing. Okay, market just opened, ladies and gentlemen. Be very careful here. No need to rush, okay? 48 seconds. If the market continue like this, we're going for the Asia high. The only thing is the ES took the Asia high. Okay, 20 seconds. ES pulling back. Very interesting. Let's see how this bad boy gonna react. Oh my god, such a stop hunt. Okay, close below the 930. The stop loss is above 930. If we get candle closure, we are not interested. It might be a stop hunt anyways, because there is one thing that we have news at 10 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. There is a beautiful equal lows. Trading between 9:30 and 8:30 opening price. Dow Jones is going up. We don't have such a big stop loss, so small size. Good morning, Sue. What's up? Come on. 4 contracts. Let's see the reaction. Man, it's so hard to trade with the less screen here. Okay. Candle close below again. So strange. Good morning, Mali, my friend. Retesting 9:30 one more time. My full size will be 5 contracts now. I will not go over it. Okay. Yes, making a session loss. I expect Dow Jones and NQ. Oh, Dow Jones joined the club. I expect Nasdaq will push back down. If that is the case, we have nice targets, which is in London low at the 7:30, but somehow this guy is making highs and highs. Okay. This will be my last candle. Okay, closing it. Oh my god. What is this? 138 ticks. Wow. I might say it's a nice, not the best price action so far. Come on. I would have closed this if ES also following this, but somehow ES is making session lows, Nasdaq making session highs. At some point they need to get in sync, right? So I'm carrying a 5 contract, so low risk. Oh, Pharaoh stuck in the snow. It's the downside of the winter, my god. Okay. We also stuck in this position though. We have SMT. So which way is the real direction, man? ATR is kinda low. I'm not carrying this position anymore now. $30-point drawdown at the moment. Let's see. Okay, I'm closing it here. $400. Yeah, ES is joining the bull club now. Nice. The Asia high is coming very close. I think we're going for the Asia high. Very interesting. There is also a new day opening gap. Five minutes till this macro ends. Okay, Asia high looking good, not gonna lie. I'm trying to secure some profits. I see a cheap trade. $2.5R. If it's wanna give, it will give. My goodness, today is like, what is this? Strange. It might be better for the news come out because it's acting very weird. I really don't know, man. This is also looking good. CDS. What do you guys think? I think today is kind of hard. Today's kind of hard. So it's like a stop hunt. The price created this bearish fair value gap at the moment. Uh, okay, let's see the reaction from this fair value gap over here. There is no signal yet from the toolkit though. My face is so big in the screen, huh? Okay, we about to invert, 10 seconds left. We didn't invert it, I guess, yeah. Market is acting weird, man. Oh, 700 bucks, 750 bucks, exactly on this trade. Whoosh. Well, that was a hard one. It was a hard one. Asia high is the target. So the delivery happened, but it's a very choppy price action, I might say. It comes with the stop hunt, obviously. Hmm. Okay, the Asia high. The target has been filled, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it was a fast opening. Uh, I don't know. Did you guys took any position yet? But this was not bad. Obviously, come with very, very, very big drawdown for 15 ATR. So 941, it's going up, obviously. Yes, also going up. So market now getting sync. That's what I'm talking about. It's like either you wait for until the market getting synced like this, or you just try your chance. I don't know. When you see setup, can go for it. But look at this. The first 930 opening, What happened? The both indices drop, and at the third candle they diversified. NQ made the session high, ES dropped, so kind of strange. Now it's pushing higher. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy. 9:42. We have news at 10 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. And what do we have on the chart? Shall we look? We basically took out this 4-hour high. We're getting very close to the all-time highs now. I want to catch one beautiful trade on my PA accounts. Can we get it? We really need it. We really need that. Okay, market keep creating the bullish FVGs. I see 900s. 900s and 880s. But obviously we outside of the macro now. It's better we wait. Guys, I don't know if you joined, but I opened a new free Telegram group that I share in my daily bias, only bias, okay, before the market open, like a 15-minute before. So if you didn't join, I highly suggest you guys check that out. It's free to join. We share a lot of free value there. And if you still didn't get my execution playbook free course, there's a link in description. $9.44. New macro in 6 minutes. We kind of waiting for that. Okay, beautiful day to trade. Hopefully, rest of the day. I make some money, I lose some money, so let's keep banking. Where is the draw on liquidity? Is it downside or upside? Are we going up or down? Okay, 5 minutes till the macro. I am preparing a new video about how can you trade the first 90 minutes of the market open, but avoiding the first 30 minutes. It's a different strategy. I wonder if you guys gonna like it or not. It's a nice strategy. I have a lot of new PA accounts, which is cool. Come on. We're looking for some $1,000 here, Nasdaq. Can we get that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, now I think we are clear on one thing, which is if we just pull the S&P, we're going higher, and the market is up 0.12% now. the thing is, we have taken out the Asia high, London high, and we have left with the 15-minute, the higher time frame targets like the 15-minute bearish order block, so on, so on. So we're gonna use that, and we obviously have the psychological levels, which is the 900. So this is it for now. And on ES, as you guessed it, 7,000. I think we are at all-time highs on the ES. Are we? Let me check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, sorry, sorry. 10 points away. Yeah, today is gonna be the day, guys. Today is gonna be the day. So buckle up, right? Getting one loss or two loss in a row in a part is a part of the game. Although we up at $700 on one account, $400 down on this account. I don't know. Maybe I did a mistake. Like I shouldn't hold it after we getting close this candle above 930. Maybe I could re-enter. But the problem is like the ES is going to downside, and most of the time, what happened is like ES is ruling the market, not Nasdaq. Okay, so let's say ES is going down, NQ is going up. 5 minutes later, Nasdaq will reverse back, and it also starts go down. But today, exactly the opposite happened. So it was strange, I might say. But if you control your size, in my mind, I said that I have this execution rule that if the market is doing something like this, like the unsynced market, ES going that way, NQ going that way, what I'm gonna do is just take a 5 contracts, not my full size. Okay, I see a beautiful continuation, ladies and gentlemen, here. Uh, on 10 a.m., we have this PMI and job openings news. Job openings. Okay, come on. So this was the trade actually. I can show you while we wait, right? You can see because I shared my window, not my screen. Okay, anyways, forget about it. But it was a nice trade. When it comes to trading with the PA accounts, I tend to be more like picky, and it saves me a lot. Okay, we inside of the now the macro. This macro does two things: continuation or reversal. So let's see. So in both pairs we have these psychological levels. If we can get some retest around here, we can take a long. We can use the continuation model. 900, something like this. 4.8 heart rate. Come on. That's what we need now. Oh, the problem is we have news, man. Damn. The problem, we have the news. Okay. Do your thing, NQ. Now, as a trader, your job is to wait, guys. Your job is to wait. I know it's hard to do, but if you force yourself to take a trade now, it might end up with a sad story, and I think you guys don't want that. How many points we rallied up? 100 points from the downside. It's coming to my execution area. Sometimes you have to decide. You know, the difference between backtest and live trading is obviously you have a lot of time to think before you push the button. But in the live trading, you see in front of you that this candle is going up, going down, and the time is ticking. So it is like the decision that are you able to make under the pressure. And this is what you will learn, obviously, with the time you trade. 17 ATR. Looking for a continuation, to be honest. Okay, news in 8 minutes. A moment of silence before the market do its show. And there is one thing that sometimes you know the price will go there, but you hesitate to take it. That the reason is like the risk reward, right? So when you don't get the beautiful risk reward, it's a problem. All right. Need session highs. It seems like it's working. We have SMT. Nice. Maybe the short is forming here. Let's go, Pharaoh. Man, I love how you can trade from anywhere. He's stuck in the snow, but he's still able to make $800 from this market. Man, congrats. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have job openings incoming. Brace yourself. uh, yeah, the target is 7,000 on ES and 900s on the NQ. Let's see. Trading even at the end of the. Yeah, I know you're gonna do it. Oh, Dow Jones is going lower and lower. It's going for the yesterday low. Oh my god. Interesting. But keep in mind that Dow Jones is not something that we use for uh, the direction, right? We only use Dow Jones at the certain moments. It will take like a millions of hours to explain here, but that's what we explaining in the courses basically. Okay, new session highs. Beautiful. Oh my god. I knew it, man. We literally outlined the trade here. Okay. Dut, 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 dut. Can we get that 900s? That is the question. So, guys, please don't do it, okay? Red folder. I don't want you to blow your account in one day, okay? If you're gonna blow it, at least let it take like 3 days. Because if you are blowing in one day, it's not the market, it's you. Some people come and say me that, oh, Borsa, I'm keep blowing the accounts. And I ask them, how many days it took to blow one account? Borsa, yesterday I blow 2 accounts. I said, man, either you just disconnect your Wi-Fi or you just go to the help center. You are addicted to pushing the button. You're not trading, you're gambling. Even in the gambling, you have a more chance. Stop gambling with your accounts. It can be cheap, okay? It can be cheap, but it is hurting your emotions and your psychology. Do not act like these accounts like the slot machine, okay? If you're gonna blow the account, there's no problem with that. Let it take at least 3 days. And trust me, even if you just implement this simple thing, your win rate will spike up. Because in the end of the day, it's not about the strategy, okay? Strategy can't save you. What's gonna save you is your psychology, is your mindset. So just take my word on it. Oh yeah, Pharaoh. We all been there, man. We all been there for sure, you know. If someone comes and says that, oh, I'm born as a trader, it's a full of lie. It's a full of lie. Don't trust them. We didn't born as a trader, but we're gonna die as a trader. So that's the vibe we're gonna trying to build here. Okay. Uh what do we have? We have 1 minute till the news. I'm so hyped up. What I wanna see is the first candle of this news, please, not be like a 50 points so that we can take advantage of these highs and lows. And what do we have is on the chart is the SMTs. Again, market unsynced again, okay? And this is a very easy thing that you can understand like this. When you open the chart, you see it's not gonna happen. It's like the husband and wife can make it. You see, here was a problem. Now again a problem. So today might be like a tough day. You understand that, okay? So you wait for the sync or you wait for the low risk reward scenarios to take a trade because not every day is the beautiful price section. Took 170 on opening down for the day. Let's go, Lokesh. I love it. I couldn't grab the from the opening, but I believe I grabbed that 938 or something. Would have to love the born as a trader, but got to learn the hard way. Yeah. Yes, my friend. Unfortunately, nothing we can do about it. Ah. If I make like this, I'm going left or okay. Ladies and gentlemen, news came out. Nothing happened. So looking for the direction, we have the SMT. Oh my god, this is what I hate actually. Okay. So let's delete this. 10 a.m. candle. Let it do the job. 10 a.m. is one of the most important, maybe the most important candle of the day. Equilibrium point of the day, also the bullish order block. I think this is the last and least point that I want to short the price. But if it's gonna happen, nothing we can do about it. Laser focused on the chart. Oh my god, why we don't have the signals, I say myself. Watching this candle now. I want to take a starter contracts here. Only 3 sides because this is my least favorite place to short the price. Okay, I'm mostly like the retest guy. I just don't want to jump into price. I prefer to wait. 719. My full TP gonna run like here. It's a very small size, unfortunately, but rule is rule. Can't broke it. If I broke it, the market will broke my heart. I know it. It happened a lot of times in the past. And okay, we created a bearish fair value gap here. If we're gonna retest it, I want to scale. I don't think it will retest, but let's see. We have the new day opening gap here from today is the 7th, right? Yes. It's very small. So there is one thing that you should know. If the new day opening gap is smaller than 5 points, most of the time it does nothing in the price. But again, the gap is gap. Man, why I can't fix this? This like this, okay. So there is one mindset that it's really, differentiate from winner to losers, which is every time I push the button, I'm pushing like I'm gonna lose that trade. And if I'm gonna lose that trade, am I okay with losing that? Okay, so that's the vibe you need to adapt to your trading, I think. Because if you feel like, oh man, I don't want to lose that much money, so there's a problem with your sizing. Remember, you are trading the Nasdaq futures. Okay, anything can happen. For no reason, price can spike 100 points, and you will just be watching the market with blowing accounts. You wanna see that happen? I don't think so. Yeah, my friend, sizing over everything. So seems like we're stuck in this beautiful chart, but it's nice to see the green on the chart. This is the A plus, and it's nice, to be honest. But we'll see. Why is it so big? Oh, we scaled the 4 contracts. Cool. So my stop loss is above this. I believe this is somewhere here, or we might use even the session highs. We'll see. Let's see the ES what it's doing. Yes, create the session lows. Oh my god, we have SMT here again. Oh man. This market is really not gonna sink today, huh? So strange. I thought today gonna be a nice day. This week I think is a little rough. If you start trading this week, it's not a good welcome, I'd say. So there is a one important thing that you need to decide as a trader. Uh, the first one is you either close with the candle closure above this, which is 10 points, or you wait for the session highs, which is a 32 points. I don't know. You can always come and join the trade though. So if this is your second trade like me, you might want to keep it more conservative. Yeah, it's what is ES is doing here? Yeah, it's a nice topante, might say. Oh man. close partially here. Indicator name is the Borsa 321 Toolkit. There's a link in the description, I guess. It is called the World Best ICT and SMC Indicator. But it is paid. Okay, I have left with 2 contracts. I stopped out myself partially. I would have held this position if there is no candle closure above a 930 on ES, but we get that, so man, it's a tough day, I might say. I'm up 700 on one account, $703, and down $710 on other accounts. So, is this make me a winner or break even or loser? Just kidding. Okay, come on. 10 past 8. If you guys notice that literally nothing happened besides of it taking out the Asia high in a hard way with a lot of pushbacks. Look at this now. After I took out some of my positions, it's coming back to my entry. I'm not gonna tilt on you, NQ. Yeah, my friend Pharaoh. Okay. On yes, we have a beautiful continuation setup. Look at this. Nice drop, new session lows. I retest the FVG. So in the NQ, what happened? Push down, didn't make the session low. Retested, inverted. It's exactly doing the opposite thing. It's acting like a naughty boy today. Market is barely green. We up like 0.13% now. I don't know where you are watching me from through the whole beautiful world, but wherever you go and wherever you're living in the world, these candles is driving us crazy. Man, there is no point if you just drop and take my profits here. I don't mind because it's not a good trade now. It's not a joyful trade, okay? If you come and stop me out here above 20 points, I don't mind also because I'm literally like smaller my risk, so I don't mind it. But the thing is, why are you making our job hard? Look at the ES. NQ is the usual one. Oh yeah. Am I little and dark? Let me just increase this. Okay, I think we're going on. Yeah, it's going for the session highs. It's so strange. So if you make money today, it's awesome. You did great. Uh, I think that was a nice opportunity, obviously at the opening. I just caught up on the wrong side. So, yeah, I should have taken along with this one. Anyways, but after that move happened, we basically like chopping around. Look at this. How many minutes? Yeah, in half an hour, we don't do anything. So usually if this happens, we see the move at the PM. Oh, I'm from Turkey. I live in States and Arab Emirates. Half of the year there, half of the year there. Ah. Teşekkür ederim. Where are you from? It's good to connect the people from all around the world. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. There is nothing we can do about this, okay? I'm just checking if I didn't see something. I knew that it's my least place to short the market, but man, if you watched it, yes, it's going down. And NQ is just doesn't care, you know. So weird. Intel is up 9%. What the? Why? Oh, you live in Canada. That's awesome. I believe it's a freezing cold there. Oh, part, I don't know, man. Maybe in 2026 we will, create a system for S&P 500. I start trading futures with Dow Jones, then I swap to ES, then looking for the more adrenaline and dopamine, obviously switch to NQ. But there is one thing that I might say, ES is doing better those days. You know, Pharaoh understands me. I think since like 6 months, ES is doing show while NQ is torturing us. Oh yeah, yeah, Pharaoh. Yeah, red candle on ES, green on NQ, vice versa. Not in Vancouver. Oh, okay. I've been in Canada like I think 10 years ago now. Maybe more. I think yeah. ES was much weaker with the SMT. Yeah, he's taking the previous low. I don't know, guys. What is this? Oh, we can match where it's colder, Sweden or Canada. I don't know. I think it depends on the part of the country you live in, but in my mind, maybe I don't know. I have no idea, but I always think like Canada is so cold, man. Just my humble opinion. Okay, we got the inversion now, huh? My goodness, this is ridiculous. Unbelievable. We're back on profit, believe it or not, guys. 10 past 15. So in 1020 macro, one thing can happen from now on, in my opinion, which is a reversal, okay? But this is like, I don't know. Watching yes is going to target is destroying my idea, and I might go this position with the 10 contracts full size. It's crazy. Okay. Is it the time now? We still have SMT, right? Let me just close this. Unnecessary thing. 956, 946. Yeah, we still have the same SMT over here. Obviously, nothing changed. Okay. Yes, almost at the London low. Come on, really? My goodness. Where is it? Oh, you're looking for different kill zones, right? Uh, London low is 75. Oh no, you're right actually. But we have already took that before. But yeah, 75. Now we back on profit, but I really not enjoying this trade. Like I said, it's been torturing me non-stop since I entered the position. Yeah, now I will not be surprised if we just bounce back to session highs from this bullish order block. If you guys want to close it, it's your call, okay? Always do your own due diligence because I have seen this millions of times. If really want to play with you, it will play with you like a cat and mouse. And you know what? If it's gonna make a drop to session lows, it will. But you do you know how it's gonna be? It will be like in two candles, so that no one will catch this beautiful easy move. I think the main problem comes from today is because the market is completely unsynced, and that these are the days that you need to be just maybe tape read, or I don't believe that you shouldn't trade, because if you see setup, just take it. Because if you don't take the trade, you're not gonna learn the setup, right? So even if it's a small, just take it. And because when you take it, your emotions will be different, your thinking style, your the brain, how it works will be different. So I suggest you take it and see what's gonna happen. I was shorted the 3, then scaled here with 5, then closed, stopped myself out with 3 contracts here, and put rest of it to session highs. I don't know. You cannot manage better than this position. I'm down on this position like I believe $150 so far. Yeah. Not complaining, but just thinking out loud so guys you can understand how I am managing my positions and thinking about the day. So, when I start trading, when I took a big loss and everything, I was going in Twitter. Those days it was Twitter, not X. Is it me or everyone lose the money today? Because I was looking for some relief, right? Did I do? I don't know. Is it me or is it the market? Then it's a good thing. So that's why I'm thinking out loud. Borsa, do you share your screen every day in here? Yeah, yeah, not every day, but at least three days a week. Not if not here, I will be in Discord. But those days we are hanging out here. It's fun. It's nice we meet new people like you. I can't see how many likes we have at the moment, but just smash the like buttons, ladies and gentlemen, for some free gems. Oi. I'm streaming from my MacBook. Uh, can't complain. It's I think better than Windows. Somehow I found more like stable these MacBooks. I'm switching this computer so fast. But this one I was using like I think more than 6 months now. That means I'm happy with that. But when it comes to recording new video or like long form stuff like course, bootcamp, 10-hour long video, it's impossible to do it on MacBook because you can't trust it. It can just, kill you on the way. So what I want to do now is scale my position, guys, because I don't know, it's a reversal macro just started. I'm looking for a cheap trade, cheap position to add my size here, but some part of me doesn't want to do that also. Yeah, what I told you guys. Remember, you can just go back and watch. This is the bullish order block. These bullish order blocks are trouble, guys. Remember, we talked about, yeah, we got this inversion, but it doesn't matter. One important thing you need to know, order blocks are powerful than the inversions. Okay, not this. And this is what you think here. And it's not just the order block what we're getting here. We also have this equilibrium point, which is like a kill shot. Every time price comes down here, it push back up. Every time comes back here, it inverts something up here. We seen here, we see now. I don't know. Now you might be thinking, and that's completely normal. Oh, Borsa, ES took out the major liquidity levels downside without the NQ. Now the ES can reverse back up and do the session highs, and then maybe these both pairs will be in sync. Maybe, I don't know. Because in a normal scenarios like this, you either go long from here to target 900, but this price section is everywhere now. I will close this position very soon, by the way. Trade here every day, please. Will do my best. Back and forth price action on this Wednesday. Today is the, yeah, tomorrow. Oh no, Friday we don't have a live session. Tomorrow I don't know yet. I will keep you guys updated. Hi friend, ouch, hit my stop. Oh, Johan, yeah man, it's tough day. It's tough day. It's tough day. If you lose, that's completely fine. Don't be hard on yourself. Um, yeah, like I said earlier, the only opportunity was at after 9:33 or something. The first FVG. Maybe you can just wait for the creation of the first FVG, then you trade. It's not the best idea, but okay, I'm gonna close these guys, I think. It pisses me off. We have this small FVG here. We're all around the world. I haven't taken any single trades yet. That's awesome. Yeah, you did good because, yeah, okay. Closed my position here. Uh there's nothing you missed it. I can easily say that. Bernie, good morning. Yeah, we going now the session highs. You gotta be kidding me, man. Back in time when I trade alone before the channel and everything. When I open my screen, I feel like I have to trade every day. When I open the screen, I have to push the button. I thought like it's a car, you know, if you don't push the gas pedal, it's not gonna move. When I understand sitting still is also another thing, I start making money. Now it's time to sit still, you know, man. It's like I don't know. Don't know if you saw my message yesterday right before you closed the stream, but it's the same setup now. Today NQ has not retested the first FVG, so the 1030 will see the push towards. Oh, yes. I remember that. I think yesterday you said the same for the yes. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, it's actually quite interesting idea. Also, ICT released a video and he was talking about the first FVGs you can keep for 5 days. Interesting idea. We might add the first FVG feature on the toolkit. Actually, we have this in the feature list. It was yes, that's went to retest, then it blew up. Yeah, so your idea is now if we retest the first FVG, no, if you don't retest the first FVG till the 1030, 1030 will spiked up. 80% chance that it returns after 1030. Let me double read if I'm understand correctly. No, no. Same, same. Oh yeah, I read yesterday. I remember. Yeah. Okay, now got your point. Yeah, yeah. The thing now is like we are literally violating every good setup. So this is a nice setup. Okay, you had the SMT, you had the nice inversion. I believe you had the bearish order block, and you have breaker obviously. So didn't work out. Today is strange, and this unsynced movement with the US is also not the best thing. Okay, yes, now is giving an A plus. Guys, should we go for the yes? I don't know, man. It might sound crazy, but market gives you the setup. You just take it, I guess. What is this thing? Oh man, I forgot the contract sizes on the yes. Crazy. Okay, let's wait for the candle closure here. Okay, yes, and NQ is making a session highs like we discussed. There's no surprise here, right? One, two, three bullish order block in a row. It is crazy as it can be. I know most of the people will take a long from exactly at this point to take 10 points, risking like maybe 100 points. Don't do it, guys. It doesn't have to make a session highs, okay? The market never has to do anything. The only time it has to do something is when there is a, it happens like 3 4 times a year. Some political things pops out, that kind of stuff. Nice, you will not believe what I did. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Guys, can you hear me? There is no sound, Mr. Borsa. Uh, so strange. I actually don't know what to do. Good? Ah, okay. Oh my god. First W on the ES. Guys. Guys. We're gonna trade ES every day now. Oh my god. Hey NQ, you see, if you don't treat us nice, we're gonna go for the ES, okay? You are not the only one. Oh, we still have orders on NQ. What the? Let's close. Okay, session highs on the NQ. Nice. It's good to be back on ES, baby. Wow, actually, that was a big candle, huh? Comparing to whole price section. It's, I think, triple size of ATR. I love these candles if I'm in a position. Sorry, guys. I don't know why the voice is just gone for no reason. It's good that we just fixed very easily. Okay, trading, yes. Borsa now trading, yes, ladies and gentlemen. Whoever gives us the money, we just go for that, okay? Look at this A plus. Look at this A plus. It's working like a clockwork. Okay, we got nice B here, but this A plus, it's a loss, man. I don't know. It's too hard to make money here. But here is beautiful. 9:30. We might be careful here. Actually, I don't want to see a candle closure below the midnight. Bernie, the idea we discussed didn't happen, but I still think that it's a good thesis. Obviously, nothing is 100%. If that was easy, everyone will be a millionaire, so that's the thing. But it's a good idea, actually. I love to see the backtest results, actually. It will take a millions of hours. But maybe we see as some people will do. There is a tool that called, I don't remember the name, but they backtest some strange things. I love it. Guys, we making 10 points on the ES. It's not like obviously the same like NQ. You can just multiply by 5. It's basically the same, right? So the 40 ticks is 200 ticks on NQ, more or less, I think. So 5-minute bearish FVG. Oh my god, we back on business, obviously with very small sizes, but win is win. The green is green. I don't care. Come on, 20 seconds. I want to see this candle close like this. I don't know if Pharaoh is fighting with the snow in his backyard, but if he took this ES with me, it will be fun. Oh, we're streaming for an hour and 12 minutes. You know, when the live stream is extended from 1 hour, it means that the market is choppy. Okay. I don't want to give back. Actually, this is a better stop loss. Yeah, that might be the end, by the way. 10:37. Maybe the market still wants to keep the SMT on the top side with the NQ. You never know. When you see the green, just took it, they say. It's a 5-minute FVG, which is a bearish one, with strong one. Did I miss any message? Okay. I think we read all of it. I feel like I'm watching a Netflix now. This is a free trade. Why? Stop loss in profit. And I just don't care what's gonna happen next though. Oh, did you guys see that? That was what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, what's going on? I think this is news. Yeah, it's definitely news. It still continues. No, it's news. They just triggered something. Oh my lord, what was this? Oh boy. I don't know, man. Was a crazy move. Oh my lord. Yeah, it's 10:40. My day finishes here, guys. Let's wrap up the stream. It was nice. We make some, we lose some. Anyways, we're still alive. We didn't blow a single account. I'm up barely. I believe it's $50 or something across all accounts. Bernie, we just hit the first FEG, by the way. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, liking the stream, loving me. I love you all. See you on the next one. Be careful. The market seems like want to do some stop hunt today. Take care. Don't blow accounts. And see you on the next one.